Daily challenge UI is visible with guess 0 of 10. First accept the cookie banner, then focus the search field and type a popular title fragment to start narrowing. Inception is a well-known movie that gives a good baseline of feedback for medium, year, rating, and genre overlaps. Type card is green for my guess Inception a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 2010 is red with an up arrow, meaning target is newer than 2010 by more than 2 years 2013 plus. Rating 8.8 is red with a down arrow, meaning target rating is lower than 8.3. Genre overlap, action is green, adventure and sci-fi are gray not on target. No actor or director overlaps highlighted. Constraints, movie, year after 2012, IMDb rating below 8.3, includes action genre but not adventure or sci-fi. Type green for Inception so target medium equals movie. Constraints, movie, year newer than 2012, rating below 8.3, action genre present but not adventure/sci-fi. Mad Max, Fury Road 2015 is an action movie around 8.1 rating, fitting newer year and action genre. Typing it to get the drop-down match. Type card is green for Mad Max, Fury Road a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 2015 is yellow with an up arrow, meaning target is within 2 years and newer, so 2016 or 2017. Rating 8.1 is yellow with a down arrow, meaning target rating is within 0.5 and lower, so roughly 7.6 to 8.0. Genre overlap, action green, adventure and sci-fi gray not on target. No actor or director overlap Tom Hardy, Charlize Theron, Nicholas Hoult, George Miller none highlighted. Constraints, movie, year 2016-2017, rating about 7.6-8.0, action present but not adventure/sci-fi. Type green for Mad Max so target medium equals movie. Constraints, movie, year 2016-2017 newer than 2015 within 2, rating about 7.6-8.0 lower than 8.1, action present but not adventure/sci-fi. John Wick, Chapter 2 2017 is a 2017 action movie rated ~7.4-7.5, fits year, and action genre. Typing to get drop down. Type card is green for John Wick, Chapter 4 a movie, so target medium equals movie. Note the title resolved to Chapter 4 2023, not Chapter 2. Year 2023 is red with a down arrow, meaning target is older than 2023, by more than 2 years 2020, or earlier, but earlier feedback said newer than 2015 within Mad Max range. Rating 7.6 is green, meaning target rating equals 7.6. Genre overlap, action green, crime and thriller gray not on target. No actor or director overlap. Combining with prior Mad Max constraint, 2016-2017, the target is around 2016-2017, rating exactly 7.6, action genre only not crime, thriller, adventure, sci-fi. Type green for John Wick Chapter 4 so target medium equals movie. Constraints, movie, rating exactly 7.6, year older than 2023, but newer than 2 of 2015 so 2016-2017, action genre present, not crime/thriller/adventure/sci-fi. Dunkirk 2017 is rated 7.8 war/action/drama close on year. Actually let me pick something with action 2016-2017 rated 7.6. Hacksaw Ridge 2016 is rated 8.1 too high. Doctor Strange has sci-fi. Let me try Dunkirk 2017 which fits year and is action adjacent. Type card is green for Dunkirk a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 2017 is green, meaning target year is exactly 2017. Rating 7.8 is yellow with a down arrow, meaning target rating is within 0.5 and lower, so 7.3-7.7 combined with John Wick 7.6 green. Target rating is exactly 7.6. Genre overlap, action green, drama green, history gray not on target. No actor or director overlap Christopher Nolan not highlighted. Constraints, movie, year exactly 2017, rating exactly 7.6. Genres include action and drama, but not history/crime/throw/adventure/sci-fi. Type green for Dunkirk so target medium equals movie. Confirmed constraints, movie, year exactly 2017 green, rating around 7.6, Dunkirk 7.8 yellow down, John Wick 7.6 green, genres include action and drama, not history. Baby Driver 2017 is rated 7.6, action/crime/drama fits year, rating, action and drama. Typing to open drop down and pick the match. Type card is green for Baby Driver a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year row green 2017 and rating consistent with ~7.6. Genre overlap, action green, drama green, crime is gray not on target. No actor Ansel Elgort, John Bernthal, John Hamm or director Edgar Wright overlap. The pixelated poster shows orange/warm tones with figures. Constraints, movie, year exactly 2017, rating ~7.6. Genres include action and drama, but not crime/history/thriller/adventure/sci-fi. This points to films like Wonder Woman, Logan, or similar 2017 action plus drama. Wonder Woman 2017 is 7.3 action/adventure excluded. Logan 2017 is 8.1 too high. The poster warm tones suggest a war/desert film. Type green movie confirmed. Year 2017 exact green. Rating 7.5 with up arrow means target rating is higher than 7.5 so 7.6-8.0. Genres action and drama green, crime gray. Wonder Woman 2017 is rated 7.3 action/adventure/fantasy, but adventure may not match and rating slightly low. Better fit, a 2017 action plus drama movie rated 7.6-7.8 without grind/adventure. Logan 2017 is rated 8.1 action/drama/sci-fi. Sci-fi excluded earlier. Wonder Woman is a strong famous candidate. Trying it. Target medium equals movie type green. Confirmed. Year exactly 2017. Rating higher than 7.5. Genres action and drama. Crime gray. No adventure/sci-fi/history. The field currently shows Alice in Wonderland leftover. I must clear it. Logan 2017 is rated 8.1 action/drama and is a strong famous fit. Clearing the field with Control+A input is focus, then typing Logan to get the correct drop-down row before submitting. Type card is green for Logan, a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 2017 is green exact. Rating 8.1 is yellow with a down arrow, meaning target rating is within 0.5 and lower, so 7.6-8.0 combined with prior signals, tilde 7.6-7.8. Genres, action green, drama green, sci-fi gray not on target. No actor overlap Hugh Jackman, Patrick Stewart, Daphne Keane. No director overlap James Mangold. Constraints, movie, year exactly 2017, rating tilde 7.6-7.8. Genres action and drama, but not sci-fi/crime/adventure/history. Candidates, Hacksaw Ridge 2016 no, Wind River 2017, 7.7, crime/drama/mystery, Detroit, 3 billboards crime/drama no action, Atomic Blonde, strong fit, maybe War for the Platte sci-fi no. Consider Wind River but it has crime. The Farer 2017 7.0 action/thriller. Target medium equals movie type green for Logan. Confirmed, year exactly 2017, rating 7.6-8.0 Logan 8.1 down, so under 8.0, genres action plus drama, not sci-fi/crime/adventure/history. 3 billboards outside Ebbing, Missouri 2017 is rated 8.1 crime/drama but crime was excluded. Reconsider, poster is dark with a face. Strong action plus drama 2017 rated tilde 7.7, Wind River crime, Atomic Blonde 7.0. Actually 3 billboards has no action. Let me reconsider target has action and drama, no sci-fi/crime. 2017 candidates, Wonder Woman adventure, 4 Ragnarok sci-fi. Hacksaw Ridge is 2016. I'll try 3 billboards anyway to probe rating/actors since options are thin. Type card is green for 3 billboards outside Ebbing, Missouri, a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 2017 is green exact. Rating 8.1 is yellow with a down arrow, target rating within 0.5 and lower, so 7.6-8.0. Genres, drama green, comedy gray, crime gray not on target. Combined with earlier Logan feedback, drama and action are both on target. No actor overlap Frances McDormand, Woody Harrelson, Sam Rockwell. No director overlap Martin McDonough. Constraints, movie, 2017, rating 7.6-8.0. Genres include action and drama, but not sci-fi/crime/comedy/adventure/history. Strong candidate, Wind River has crime excluded. Atomic Blonde 7.0 too low. Consider Hostels 2017, 7.2 drama/western. Detroit 2017, 7.3 crime. Wonder Woman adventure. Target medium equals movie type green. Confirmed, 2017 exact, rating 7.6-8.0 lower than 8.1, genres action and drama, not sci-fi/crime/comedy/adventure/history. The 3 billboards poster shown has orange sunset tones matching my earlier warm poster note, but the Daily Target poster pixelated was also warm. I need an action plus drama 2017 tilde 7.7. Strong candidate, Coco is animation no. Reconsider Hostels 2017 7.2 drama/action/adventure adventure no. Wind River crime. Given action plus drama plus 2017 plus tilde 7.7, a great fit is War for the Planet of the Apes, but sci-fi. Let me try Atomic Blonde. 7.0 too low. Actually Wonder Woman fits action plus drama if drama listed, rating 7.3 low. I'll probe with a different actor set, try Wind River with crime. Try Hacksaw no 2016. Type card is green for Coco, a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 2017 is green exact. Rating 8.4 is yellow with a down arrow, mean target rating is within 0.5 and lower, so 7.9-8.3. Genres, drama green, animation gray, adventure gray not on target. No actor overlap Anthony Gonzalez, Gael Garcia Bernal, Benjamin Bratt. No director overlap Leon Critch, Adrian Molina. Updated constraint, rating is now 7.9-8.3 higher than I thought, since Coco 8.4 down only 0.5. Combined, movie, 2017, rating tilde 7.9-8.0, drama and action, not animation/adventure/sci-fi/crime/comedy. A hint dialogue is open. I will choose reveal an actor next turn. Strong candidate at 7.9-8.0 2017 drama/action, Wonder no action. Reconsider Blade Runner 2049 sci-fi. Target medium equals movie type green for Coco. Confirmed, 2017 exec, rating 7.9-8.3 Coco 8.4 down, drama yes, not animation/adventure/crime/comedy. Action was green earlier. A 2017 movie rated ~8.0 with drama plus action. Blade Runner 2049-2017, 8.0 sci-fi/drama/action. But sci-fi was grey on Lovin. Wait, Lovin's sci-fi was grey mean Target has no sci-fi. Reconsider. Strong drama plus action 2017 rated ~8.0 without sci-fi. Wind River 7.7. Crime excluded. The high rating 8.0 drama plus action 2017 is rare. Could be the foreign film. With guess 9 next I get synopsis. Let me probe Blade Runner 2049 to test rating/year refinement even though sci-fi risk, or better try a war film. Hacksaw Ridge is 2016. I will guess to advance towards synopsis at guess 9. Trying Blade Runner 2049. Type card is green for Blade Runner movie. This was the original Blade Runner 1982, not 2049, based on Harrison Ford/Ridley Scott, so target median equals movie. Year 1982 is RED with up arrow mean target is new or consistent with 2017. Rating 8.1 yellow down arrow, target 7.6-8.0. Genres, action green, drama green, sci-fi gray not on target. Critical, the synopsis hint reveals the answer based on the true story of the Granite Mountain Hotshots, a group of elite firefighters who risk everything to protect a town from a historic wildfire. That is only the brave 2017, rating ~7.5-7.6, action/biography/drama. This is the target. Next turn I will dismiss the dialogue and guess only the brave. Target medium equals movie type green for Blade Runner. Constraints, 2017 exact, rating 7.6-8.0, action plus drama, no sci-fi. Synopsis indicates Granite Mountain Hotshots firefighters equals only the brave 2017, rated ~7.5-7.6, biography/drama/action. This fits all constraints. Clicking the input, typing the title, waiting for the drop-down, then clicking dash to submit. Got it, the answer was only the brave 2017. It took a full 10 guesses, but the breakthrough came on the late synopsis hint describing the Granite Mountain Hotshots firefighters, which locked in a 2017 action and drama movie rated right around 7.6. A satisfying close call to land the win.